Welcome! Today we cover prefixes in detail. We'll leave combining forms for next time. Let's begin with negation on page 1. A and an mean without. Aphasia is without speech. Anoxia is without oxygen. Anaerobic is living without air. Aphonia means without voice. Anti means against, like antidote, against poison, and anticoagulant, against clotting. Contra means opposite, like contralateral for the opposite side, or contraindication. D means removal, like decapitate for removing the head. Dis means separation. To dissect is to separate tissues for study. Finally, in and un mean not, as seen in inactive and unconscious. Now for position and direction. Ab means away from, like abduct, to move a limb away, or abnormal. Ad means toward, like adhesion, where tissues stick together. Circum means around, as in circumcision. Peri also means around. Pericardium wraps around the heart, and periosteum around a bone. Dextro means right, like dextrocardia, where the heart is on the right side. E, ec, and ex mean out or away. Eccentric is away from the center. To excise is to cut out. Ecto and exo mean outside. An ectopic pregnancy is outside the normal location, and exocrine glands secrete products outside. Endo and en mean within. An endoscope examines within hollow organs, and endocrine glands secrete within the blood. Encephalic is within the head. Extra means outside, like extravascular, outside a vessel, or an extraperitoneal organ. Intra means inside of, like an intravenous or IV injection inside the vein. Infra means below, like infraorbital, below the eye socket. Supra means above, like the suprarenal glands above the kidney.
Continuing with position. Sub means below, like sublingual, under the tongue. Epi means upon, like epidermal, upon the skin. Inter means between, such as intercostal, between the ribs, or intervertebral. Meso means middle, like mesomorphic. Para means alongside of, or abnormal, like parathyroid glands, alongside the thyroid, or paranoia for abnormal thinking. Dia and trans mean across or through. Dialysis separates particles through a membrane. Transfusion introduces blood across into the bloodstream. Retro means backward or behind, like retrograde or retroperitoneum, behind the peritoneum. Meta means beyond or change, like metastasis, spreading beyond its site, or metamorphosis. Ipsi means same, as in ipsilateral, on the same side.
Now for quantity and measurement. Pan means all, like pancytopenia, a deficiency of all blood cells. Hyper means excessive, like hyperlipidemia for excess fat, or hyperglycemia for excess sugar. Hypo means below or deficient, like hypothermia or hypoglycemia. Micro means small, like a microlith stone. Macro means large, like a macrocyte cell. Super means excessive, like supernumerary, meaning too many to count. Ultra means beyond, like ultrasonic frequencies. Iso means equal or same, like an isograft between identical twins. Mono means one, like mononuclear or monochromatic. Diplo means double, like diploid chromosomes or diplopia, double vision. Quadri means four, like a quadrant. Still on quantity. Quadriceps is a muscle with 4 heads. Hemi means half, like a brain hemisphere. Semi means partial, like semi-solid. Oligo means few or deficient, like oliguria, meaning deficient urine. Multi means many, like multiple organs or multinuclear. Poly also means many, like polyphobia, meaning many fears. Bi means two or both, like bilateral. Tri means 3, like a triangle. Finally, uni means one, like unilateral for one side. Moving to prefixes for time. Ante, pre, and pro mean before. Antenatal is before birth. Premature is before fully ripe. Prognosis is predicting the outcome before knowing. Post means after, like postmenopausal, after menopause, or post-operative, after surgery. Brady means slow, like bradycardia for a slow heart rate. Tachy means fast, like tachycardia. Re means again, like reactivate. Neo means new, like neonatal for a newly born infant. Let's wrap up with general prefixes. Con, sin, and sim mean together or with. Congenital means born with abnormalities. Syndactylism is webbing together of fingers. Symbiosis is living together. Dys means difficult or painful, like dyspnea for difficult breathing, or dysuria for painful urination. Neo means new again, like neoplasia for a new tumor. Hetero means other or different, like heterosexual for opposite sexes. Homo means the same, like homosexual. This concludes our prefixes. Combining forms will be in the next lesson. Time for our final revision quiz. Leave your answers in the comments. 1. An in anoxia means A, against, B, without. 2. Prefix for around, A, peri, B, para. 3. Endo in endoscope, A, outside, B, within. 4. Hyperglycemia prefix, A, deficient, B, excessive. 5. Hemi means A, half, B, double. 6. Prefix for slow, A, tachy, B, Brady. 7. Post in postoperative, A, before, B, after. 8. Dys in dyspnea, A, difficult, B, together. 9. Prefix for against, A, anti, B, anti. 10. Macro means A, small, B, large. Thanks for watching.